Just days into the new year, an explosion of new COVID infections has the St. Louis area on high alert. You're watching News 4 at 10 on air and streaming. I'm Samantha Jones.
And I'm Corey Stark. Shocking new numbers show how dire the situation is on both sides of the river. Missouri's positivity rate sits at 27.3%. That means more than 27% of people getting tested for COVID in Missouri are infected with coronavirus. In Illinois, the positivity rate is much lower at 12.8%.
Tonight, the rising infection rate is forcing a local school to shift to virtual learning. St. Louis Public Schools says Bryan Hill Elementary will make the temporary change for the rest of the week.
SLPS says it is due to the staff quarantines. All other schools in the district start in-person learning tomorrow. Well, to fight off this unprecedented surge of cases, the state of Missouri is ramping up its COVID testing resources. Caroline Hecker is live in St. Charles County, where people came in droves today to see if they're infected. Caroline?
Well, guys, this site here at the Family Arena plans to test about 500 people a day. That's what they did, of course, today. And that number, they tell me, could rise, but it depends, like so many other things, on staffing. Dozens of cars wind their way around the Family Arena parking lot, waiting to receive a COVID-19 test.
Probably 10 minutes. Yeah, we came from the north side, which I think had a much shorter line.
Others waiting much longer.
We've been here for 2 hours.
AIM Laboratories is putting on the clinic for the state, processing about 80 cars an hour.
The state came to us and said, that we are in a dire need to, alleviate some of the stress off of the hospital systems, because when the surge starts coming, more and more people start going to the hospitals and choking down the emergency department.
Appointments are scheduled online and pre-registering is required.
Yeah, I just went online yesterday and I think I snagged like the last spot.
Many cars in line full of family members waiting to get tested.
We've all had some stuffy noses, sore throats, so gotta get tested.
We've all had cold-like symptoms, some fevers too, and I want to get back to work, and my kids want to get my kids back to school, so just checking boxes.
The St. Charles County Health Department reports a 7-day average of a 15% positivity rate, even those without symptoms wanting to make sure they're in the clear.
So my wife here is a first responder. She goes out there regularly, so we wanted to make sure that none of us were exposed, especially with us having a 3-year-old who's not vaccinated yet.
Now, right now, if you want to get a test here at the Family Arena, the earliest appointment we checked is on Friday. There are plenty of them available, though, and these are PCR tests, so those are the ones where you'll get your results in 1 to 2 days. If you're interested in pre-registering for an appointment here, you can go to health.mo.gov/community tests, guys.
Sure, we'll have that on our website, too. But, Caroline, I also wanted to ask, we know that the testing site at the Family Arena is state-run. Is the county offering other options for people who are looking for COVID-19 tests?
You can still get the COVID-19 tests through the St. Charles County Health Department, although on a much smaller scale, so those appointments are few and far between. Your best bet, if you're looking to get one, especially this week, Sam, is to come out to this kind of mass event, because the county is not running its own mass event, at least for the near future.
All right, good advice, Caroline. Thank you.